Let's inspect some safety glazing in a shower. Here's me inspecting a window in a shower, and the bottom of the window is about 4 feet, and I don't see any labeling or etching or designation that this is safety glass, safety glazing. We don't want this to be a hazard, so it has to be a safety glass or safety glazing. So when you have a window in a wet location, like a shower, and it's below 60 inches measured vertically above the walking surface of the shower, like my inspection, then it has to be safety glazing. So safety glazing is required adjacent to hot tubs, spas, whirlpools, saunas, tubs, showers, swimming pools. Because of the presence of water, these locations are slip hazards, and they need safety glazing to prevent someone getting injured in a fall. And that sometimes happens in a shower. So if the window is below 60 inches or 1,524 millimeters, then it has to be safety glazing. And to identify the safety glazing, there has to be a designation from the manufacturer. And the designation has to be acid etched, sandblasted, ceramic fired, laser etched, embossed, or something that can't be removed without destroying the glass, or a label that is an exception to the rule. So during an inspection, if it's a brand new home, maybe a label, but we're really looking for a permanent identification, a designation from the manufacturer that the glass inside this wet area is safe.